Welcome. And today we'll practice a sidecar container question. Just go to the killer coda and type new, and there you will find a new lab practice scenario for CK and CKS. You will find you click this scenario section, and you will find the fifth number scenario, and there you can click and go. Then here, so add CK scenario. So you are working the Kubernetes cluster where an existing deployment named Neokloud deployment is running. So Neokloud deployment is already running. You don't need to create, but always take the backup of whatever the resource is so that in worst case scenario, you could recreate and go ahead with your job. So your task is to update the deployment by adding co-located container sidecar pattern. So after 1.29, I think so, there is a sidecar pattern and init container with the restart policy is a little similar. So you can do like that, but if it is specifically asked, then you have to proceed. So modify the existing deployment and add a sidecar container. So whatever the instruction you need to follow and get started. So I'll just click start, and here just for your sake of practice, I have created this file. Just copy and paste, and your scenario is ready to go. So just k get deployment. I always write k because aliases was already set. So just k get deployment. So deployment is running. First, what I will do, I will take the backup k get deployment deployment and deployment name and -oml and touch. I always place t means touch and t means not touch. So I don't use this test for anything, and this I will do for any edit or something purpose. So I'll have a two backup. Just check the backup cat t. So backup is there, and cat nt. So we are safe to do our job. Now just edit deployment Neokloud deployment. So just carefully go to the file, and you will find that here container section, and you need to define this. So what I will do, I'll just so this is your file. So I'll just go to the spec section, and here in spec section you will find the container. Okay, and here status means there is the status sorry. So you are not able to find any volume or volume mount. So we need to create a mtdr volume and volume mounts for that. So here what I will do, what I will do here, I will add a container. Means here another container, and in this container, first container, I need to create volume mounts. Here volume mounts I need to create. Then I need to create a sidecar container. I need to create here the sidecar container, and then I need to create a volume mount. Volume. Sorry, my laptop is not working. Laptop is very slow. So volumes. So I need to create mtdr volume here. Mtdr volume. So three things we need to create. So just go to the practice session here. Just I'll edit. So in this first go to the insert. Just do very calmly. So here you need to create a volume mounts. So volume mount you need to create. You can get help from the documentation. So kubernetes.io here sidecar. So here you can see that you mount volume mounts, and this volumes is also there. So we'll create this sidecar container. First I'm creating with this type I. So here I need to name it sidecar, and that image is busybox latest, and here a command is this, the copy command, paste, delete it, but do it very slow because environment is slow. Here you don't need to give any spaces, need to put comma. Okay, here all things should be same, log -volume, here var/log, and here also the name is same, log-volume. If we have done everything same, then it would be edited. Otherwise, it will be in the temp. Some mistake is there. So no issue. Escape wcube. So we can pi/temp kubectl edit Why? So this actually I don't require command log volume Neokloud dot volume. Sorry, busybox stable images is stable copy. So I need to here indentation is the issue. Here this should be here. So I need to WQ. So you can k apply hyphen f slash time kubectl edit. So this is configured. So k get pods. So 2 out of 2 is running. K rollout start, rollout status, deployment, and Neokloud deployment. So successfully rolled out. So you can describe k describe as Neokloud deployment, Neokloud, and you can find that this busybox stable image is there and command is same, and you can verify it. So first step is done, but few question me that means latestly that is init container variation updated, because in the documentation if you see this enabled, and Kubernetes 1.0 can specify restart policy for the init container field sidecar. This is the thing. So you can edit with this. So I'll just refresh it and we'll solve it with the init container logic. So just copy this once again and paste it here. So deployment is ready. Git deployment. So take the backup of this deployment -o YAML. I'll always prefer to take two backup. So touch dpl.yaml and no touch. So cat. So you are ready to go for the edit. So I'll edit edit deployment and Neokloud deployment. So here we are editing with the init container. So first I'll copying this. So what I will do, I will just copy all the steps here and paste it here, paste it here. So I'll just check whether the indentation is right or wrong. So just here, this is correct, this is correct, this is also correct. So just change the name. Here name is not matter for the volume mode. What required is a var, because this explicitly it is not asked which name I have to define. So varlog, here the directory is varlog. So I'll edit the directory varlog. Don't forget to edit anything, otherwise it will cost you a mark. So here stable. So busybox is stable, box stable. I'm doing it very fast because I have a practice, but you do we do slow accordingly. And name is sidecar. So here you will see here that my capital F is written in the documentation, and here our in exam our small f is there. So you should be I don't think this work will the small f, so I'm putting it in capital F. So accordingly you check. So I'll just paste it. I'll give it to capital F, and this way also you can find out which way to proceed. If small f is there, then go with the traditional sidecar, and if capital F is there, do with this init container is also work well. Or so skip w. I think all things we have done. So something is missing. So which we have forgotten. So busy box stable sidecar always l varlog data volume mounts. Here volume here indentation is a little. So WQ once again. So it is edited. So K rollout restart, rollout status, deployment new. So successfully rolled out. K git pods. So 2 out of 2 is running. So K describe deployment, new apps. So here you can have this. This is the monitor, and this is init container. So well, this way we can solve. So stay tuned, and the next topic would be horizontal pod autoscaler, that is HPA. Thank you so much for your support, and keep supporting me. I will have a lot of good resources